I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education, and there is a vacancy, good vacancy in coaching shipyard for mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, civil engineers, and different branches. So let me show you this. These are the posts, as you must be knowing. Electrical and mechanical are the more number of positions they have declared. So these are the number of posts for different branches. I think they have advertised this, and looks like there are total 70 posts, but looks like this is a more number of posts for people with the mechanical engineering, like 37 posts. So YourPD is going to launch a micro module for this. You must be knowing that our first micro module was launched for HPCL exam, and examination pattern was exactly like same. So there is a reason we are launching the module, micro module for coaching shipyard. It will comprise the HPCL module which we made earlier, largely it is that, and 30 to 40% addition will be provided to you. That will cater to coaching shipyard kind of questions. So on the basis of our analysis, what kind of question can be asked in coaching, our mentors will sit together and we will launch it. As of now, we are launching it only for two domains, two specializations, two engineering branches, one mechanical engineering, another civil engineering. I can assure you that majority questions are going to come from our micro module, for which test series will be included in that, and you can prepare with YourPD in very less time. Micro module means very less time, and we have to convert that. So that is going to be value for your money. We are going to launch it at very nominal price, very cheap rate, so that it can help you out. So yeah, these all details are good. I mean, this is a good job. The coaching shipyard is a really good job, good salary and everything. But I want to basically last date is 27th of October. So those of you who are interested to fill this form, and I will recommend that you should write this exam, especially mechanical engineers. The number of positions, you can't expect a very high number of seats now in every public sector, but yes, overall year if you see there are sufficient number of seats, and you keep on writing paper. That day can be your day, HPCL day may not be your day. So other exams you are writing, so keep writing all the exams with preparation. Now 27th is the last date, and let me tell you इसका pattern क्या है. ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होगा, 60 मार्क्स का है, जिसमें से 40 मार्क्स टेक्निकल है. देन देयर इज जनरल अवेयरनेस, न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, रीजनिंग एबिलिटी, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड एवरीथिंग इन माइक्रो मॉड्यूल. सो ऑल द कंपोनेंट्स विल बी एडेड इनटू माइक्रो मॉड्यूल, and followed by, this is also very important, 40 marks of this part. So this 40 marks में ग्रुप डिस्कशन होगा. राइटिंग स्किल एक चीज़ है जिसमें हम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी कर सकते हैं. आई विल टेल यू वंस वी कम टू दैट स्टेज. एंड पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. सो 40 मार्क्स विल बी फॉर दैट. सो इसमें नॉर्मली क्या होता है, इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए आपका ना 15-20% होता है. 40% पहली बार मेरे को दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, एंड दैट इज़ रियली गुड सब्सटेंशियल अमाउंट. सो ये 60 माइक्रो मॉड्यूल से आएगा, और ये सेकंड जो हमारा प्रिपरेशन है जीडी वगैरह का, उसमें से आएगा. सो YourPD इज लॉन्चिंग कम्बिनेशन मॉड्यूल ऑल्सो, दोज हु वांट टू टेक बोथ, एंड ओनली दोज हु वांट टू टेक दिस. वो भी मॉड्यूल लॉन्च हो गया है. दैट इज ऑन द वेबसाइट, यू कैन चेक इट आउट. As I told you, majority questions are going to come from here. There is a negative marking. There is no negative marking. One question, 1 mark, and no negative marking. ये वैसे ही जैसा HPCL का था कि उसमें भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं था. आपको सारे क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, और अगर आपने थॉरोली पढ़ा होगा सब्जेक्ट्स बहुत थॉरोली, तो आपको क्वेश्चन आने का चांस है. एंड एज आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू कि हर एक कंपनी का अपना कुछ फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं. जैसे कोचिंग शिपयार्ड है वो, तो शिपयार्ड विल बी मोर फोकसिंग ऑन पर्टिकुलर एरिया ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग. वहाँ से क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा आने के चांस होते हैं, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक दैट. इस बार वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लासेज ऑल्सो, विच वॉज नॉट देयर इन HPCL. तो हम जैसे जो आपको सारा माइक्रो मॉड्यूल है, दैट विल प्रोवाइड यू इन द बिगिनिंग, एंड लाइव क्लासेस, डेली लाइव क्लासेस विल ऑल्सो बी देयर, सो दैट आपका प्रिपरेशन अच्छा चलता रहे. सो YourPD इज गोइंग टू टारगेट दिस इन अ वेरी गुड वे नाउ, and you can entrust your preparation with us. The rest is all I think details you can get I will attach this particular form will be available, this document will be available on our site, link आपको मिल जाएगा. So those who are interested for this particular module, they can fill the Google form attached here, and our executive will get back to you and get the detailed information related to that. Don't miss it. Prepare well with YourPedia and we'll crack it. Thank you.